Hey guys, welcome back to How It Works, the series where we explore the inner workings of computer science and software engineering. Today we will be talking about assembly. Assembly is a low-level programming language used to control a computer's behavior at the most basic level. It provides direct access to the computer's hardware and allows programmers to write code that is optimized for performance. Assembly is made up of a series of instructions that correspond to machine code, which makes assemblers fairly straightforward. Unlike machine code, these instructions are written using mnemonic codes that are easier to understand. The CPU executes machine code instructions, which are made up of binary numbers that represent different operations. Assembly is used in various applications, including operating systems, device drivers, and embedded systems. It allows programmers to have more control over the computer's behavior and to write more efficient code. Writing assembly can be challenging, as it requires an understanding of the computer's architecture and underlying hardware. However, mastering assembly can give you an edge in optimizing code and improving performance. So that's assembly. It's a low-level programming language that allows programmers to write code that controls the behavior of a computer at the most basic level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of How It Works.